Find the Laplace transform of root t plus 1 by root t whole cube. So we have to find the Laplace transform of this function. So it means Laplace transform of root t plus 1 by root t whole cube. 1 by root t whole cube. Okay. So we have to find Laplace transform of this function. So to solve this problem, we have to apply two concepts. The first concept is Laplace transforms. Laplace transforms. Concept of Laplace transforms. And the second concept is gamma functions concept. Gamma functions. Gamma functions concept. So we must apply these two concepts. So generally gamma function denoted by this is the symbol gamma n. Gamma n. Okay. So using these two concepts, we can able to solve this problem. See here first of all, here f of t is, so here given function, f of t means given function. Here given function is root t plus 1 by root t whole cube. This is the given function. Okay. If you observe this function, this is like a plus b whole cube. First of all, we cannot directly find a value of Laplace transform of this function. There is no direct formula. So we have to simplify further. So see, this is looks like a plus b whole cube. So what is the formula for a plus b whole cube? This is actually an identity. A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. 3ab into a plus b. So here a is equal to what? Here a is equal to root t, b is equal to 1 by root t. So replace a by root t and b by 1 by root t. Now root t plus 1 by root t whole cube becomes root t plus 1 by root t whole cube is equal to a cube. So root t whole cube plus b cube 1 by root t whole cube plus 3ab. 3 into root t into 1 by root t. So numerator root t and denominator root t get cancelled, and the remaining expression a plus b, root t plus b value 1 by root t. So let us simplify further. Okay. So root t whole cube. So root t means t power 1 by 2. So whole cube 1 by root t whole cube. 1 cube by root t whole cube. So 1 cube value 1 by root t. Root t means t power 1 by 2 whole cube plus. So 3 into root t, 3 root t. So again root t means t power 1 by 2. 3 plus into plus plus 3 into 1 by root t plus 3 by root t. Root t means t power 1 by 2. So next. So this is like a power m whole power n, a power mn. So t power 3 by 2 plus again a power m whole power n, a power mn 1 by t power 3 by 2 plus 3t power 1 by 2 plus 3 by t power 1 by 2. So this is the expanded form of this function. Root t plus 1 by root t whole cube is equal to this. Now let us find Laplace transform of this function. Okay. So this is expanded form of root t plus 1 by root t whole cube. Okay. Now apply Laplace transform on both sides. So Laplace transform of root t plus 1 by root t whole cube is equal to Laplace transform of t power 3 by 2 plus so we know that 1 by a power m is equal to a power minus m. Say 1 by a power m is equal to a power minus m. So 1 by t power 3 by 2 means it can be written as t power minus 3 by 2. Okay. Here m is equal to 3 by 2. So 1 by a power m is equal to a power minus m. Similarly 1 by t power m is equal to t power minus m, where m equal to 3 by 2 plus 3 into t power 1 by 2. Here also 3 by t power 1 by 2. So we can write it as t power minus 1 by 2. So we are just moving this term from denominator to numerator. Here also denominator to numerator. So now using linearity property. So using linearity property means distributive property. So just distribute this, apply Laplace transform to all the terms. So we can write it as Laplace transform of t power 3 by 2 plus Laplace transform of t power minus 3 by 2. Next. So 3 is constant. Take out 3 out of the Laplace transform. So 3 into Laplace transform of t power 1 by 2 plus 3 into Laplace transform of t power minus 1 by 2. So we need a Laplace transform of t power 3 by 2. So now in Laplace transform, so we do not have formula for this. If exponent is fraction, positive fraction or negative fraction. So in first term and third term, so here powers are, here exponents are positive fractions, whereas in case of second term and last term, exponents are negative exponents. So to solve this expression, we have to apply concept of gamma functions. Now we have to apply gamma functions, properties of gamma functions. So first of all, what is gamma function? The definite integral integral 0 to infinity e power minus x into x power n minus 1 into dx, where n greater than 0 is called, this expression is called, this definite integral is called gamma function. Okay, this is the definition of gamma function. This is called gamma function. But anyhow, here we are going to use properties of gamma function. Properties is important. See, I am going to use 3 properties. First property is gamma function, gamma of 1 by 2 is equal to root pi. Gamma of 1 by 2 is equal to root pi. These are properties of gamma function, standard values. So next, gamma of minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 2 root pi. And one more property, gamma of n plus 1, gamma of n plus 1 is equal to n gamma n. Gamma of n plus 1 is equal to n gamma n. We have one more formula, Laplace transform of t power n is equal to gamma of n plus 1 by s power n plus 1. This is very important. Laplace transform of t power n is equal to gamma of n plus 1 by s power n plus 1. Remember, where n is greater than 0, where, so this formula is defined. This is defined only when, this formula is valid when n greater than 0 and n is a negative fraction. N is a negative fraction. Okay. So I am going to use total 4 properties. So especially we are going to use this formula, Laplace transform of t power n. So ఈ formula ఏ మనం ఇక్కడ యూజ్ చేస్తాం expand చేయడానికి, solve చేయడానికి. Okay. So using this formula and these properties, we can find the answer for this. We know that Laplace transform of t power n is equal to gamma n plus 1 by s power n plus 1. Okay. So first of all, let us find Laplace transform of t power 3 by 2. Okay. Let us make it into 4 parts: part 1, part 2, part 3 and part 4. So first let us find Laplace transform of t power 3 by 2. Okay. So here, what is the value of n? N is equal to 3 by 2. So put n is equal to 3 by 2 in this formula. Gamma 3 by 2 plus 1 by gamma of 3 by 2 plus 1 by s power 3 by 2 plus 1. Okay. So first, So this is like gamma n plus 1. Gamma n plus 1. Gamma n plus 1 is equal to what? N gamma n. So we already discussed the properties of gamma function. Gamma n plus 1. Gamma n plus 1 is equal to n gamma n. So here n is equal to 3 by 2. So gamma n plus 1 is equal to n 3 by 2 gamma n 3 by 2. Gamma n plus 1 is equal to n gamma n. So here n is equal to 3 by 2. Here n is equal to 3 by 2. 3 by 2 plus 1, 2 ones are 2, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 by 2. S power 5 by 2. So 3 by 2. Again, what is the value of gamma n by 2? We don't know. So, but we can write 3 by 2 as 1 by 2 plus 1. We can write 3 by 2 as 1 by 2 plus 1 by S power 5 by 2. Again, gamma 3 by 2, 3 by 2, gamma n plus 1. This is like gamma n plus 1, n gamma n. Here n is equal to what now? N. So 1 by 2 into gamma 1 by 2 whole divided by S power 5 by 2 whole divided by S power 5 by 2. Okay. So 3 by 2, 3 by 2. Here gamma 1 by 2 plus 1. Here gamma n plus 1. Gamma n plus 1 is equal to n gamma n. So 1 by 2 gamma 1 by 2 by S power 5 by 2. So 3 into 1, 3. 2 2s are 4. So 3 by 4 of gamma 1 by 2 whole divided by S power 5 by 2. So gamma 1 by 2 is equal to how much? Gamma standard value. Gamma 1 by 2 is equal to root pi. So 3 by 4 root pi by S power 5 by 2. Okay. So we can write it as 3 root pi by 4 into S power 5 by 2. S power 5 by 2. So this is the value of L of Laplace transform of t power 3 by 2. Laplace transform of t power 3 by 2 is 3 root pi by 4 into 5 power S 5 by 2. Similarly, let us calculate this value. Next we need Laplace transform of t power minus 3 by 2. T power minus 3 by 2. So same formula, gamma n plus 1. So gamma here n is equal to minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2 plus 1 by S power minus 3 by 2 plus 1. So gamma minus 3 by 2 plus 1. 2 ones are 2. Okay. Minus 3 plus 2 minus 1. So gamma minus 1 by 2 by S power 2 ones are 2. So we will get S power minus 1 by 2. So gamma minus 1 by 2 is equal to how much? Minus 2 root pi. Minus 2 root pi by S power minus 1 by 2. Or we can write it as minus 2 root pi. So we know that 1 by a power minus m is equal to, so again exponential powers, 1 by a power minus m is equal to a power positive m plus m. So let us move this S power minus 1 by 2 from denominator to numerator. Exponent sign changes, negative becomes positive. You will get S power 1 by 2. So this is the result of Laplace transform of t power minus 3 by 2. So next 3 into, let us see remaining things. So next third one, Laplace transform of t power 1 by 2. So later we can consider 3. So anyhow, what is the formula? Gamma n plus 1, 1 by 2 plus 1, here n is equal to 1 by 2 by S power 1 by 2 plus 1. So gamma 1 by 2 plus 1, gamma n plus 1 is equal to what? N gamma n by S power 3 by 2. So 1 by 2 into gamma 1 by 2 value root pi by S power 3 by 2. So we get root pi by 2 into S power 3 by 2. Root pi by 2 into S power 3 by 2. So at last Laplace transform of t power minus 1 by 2 is equal to same formula, gamma n plus 1. Here n is equal to minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by s power minus 1 by 2 plus 1. So 2 ones are 2. So you will get gamma of 1 by 2 by s power 1 by 2. Gamma 1 by 2 is equal to root pi. So what is the answer? Root pi by s power 1 by 2. Okay. Now we have values for all the terms. Let us substitute all the values. So Laplace transform of t power 3 by 2 plus Laplace transform of t power minus 3 by 2 plus 3 into Laplace transform of t power 1 by 2 at last plus 3 into Laplace transform of t power 1 by 2. So first Laplace transform t power 3 by how much? 3 root pi by 4 into s power 5 by 2, okay, plus Laplace transform minus 3 by 2 minus 2 root pi by s power into 2 root pi into, so 2 root pi into s power 1 by 2. Next plus 3 into Laplace transform of t power 1 by 2 root pi by 2 s power 3 by 2 s power 3 by 2. At last plus 3 into Laplace transform of t4 minus 1 by 2. What is the value? Root pi by s power 1 by 2. If you look at all these terms, so what is the common thing? Root pi is common. Take out root pi common. Among all the terms, root pi is common. So remaining terms 3 by 4 s power 5 by 2 minus 2 s power 1 by 2, yeah, plus 3 by 2 into s power 3 by 2, yeah, plus 3 by s power 1 by 2. Therefore, what is the final answer? Laplace transform of root t plus 1 by root 2 whole cube is equal to root pi of root pi into 3 by 4s power 5 by 2, 4s power 5 by 2 minus 2s power 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 power 2 into s power 3 by 2 plus 3 by s power 1 by 2. So this is the final answer.